I'm George Robertson. I'm a craft apprentice, hopefully going on to the inspection team. I'm currently in the standards room calibrating all of the equipment so it can be used on other more important jobs, but most of the equipment's being used still all around the workshop. It's kind of just the achievements. When I first got into the standards room a few weeks ago, there was over 400 uncalibrated pieces, and now we're down to 236, I think it is. Yeah, I'm aiming to specialise in inspection, so hopefully I'll be able to be at the end of the line of the operations we have, just inspecting all the parts either on a CMM or by hand. Passion that people who have worked here at this company for a long time. They have quite a lot of passion for this company, want it to succeed, and because I want to be like that as well. I know 3D printing, that's coming on quite well. They're starting to think, well, do it with metal now, which is quite interesting. And there's always going to be work, and there's no shortage for jobs. There's always something to do, so you're never really bored. It's not really going to go downhill because people are always going to want airplane parts. I'd hopefully want to be either in the inspection room here or maybe at another company. I'm not too sure yet, but I'm liking this company and where I can get here. I was expecting a little bit of what I'm finding out, but it's completely different to what I was actually thinking. And then machining, that's well, I was taught all manual, not really a lot of program stuff, so that was all new to me. I just wasn't too keen on it after that. Oh, here I'm in the standards room currently calibrating different workpieces and equipment so they can be used on other jobs around the workshop. And when I go into the inspection room, I'll hopefully be inspecting all of the jobs that we complete so they can be sent out.